Hey YouTube, this is Steve Bro, and this is my bike. Taking it apart because I'm having problems, and this is what happens every time I try to start it. It's been sitting for at least two almost 3 months. And I don't know what's wrong with the battery's good. I have gas, as you can see, full. I just changed I just put new oil in there, 10W40, and I don't know. It's I don't know what's wrong with it, and it's not turning. My engine's not turning. Actually, it's a scooter. It's a 150cc scooter, and I have a GY6 engine, and it's just not starting. So here, I'll try to start it again so you can get a better, so you can hear better. And I absolutely have no idea what's wrong with it. And I tried to kickstart, but I think my kickstart is broken because it doesn't do anything. So if anyone has a solution, please comment, because I would like to get this up and running. And again, it's a 150cc scooter. Yeah, I need help. So please, anyone comment, help me out. Thanks.